Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an animation for a progress bar on Canva. So we're going to start by choosing our design size, and you can click create a design in order to do that. You can choose whether you want it in the form of video, or maybe you want to make one for your Instagram story. It doesn't matter. This will work for any type of things that you're going to create on Canva. Just make sure that it is indeed a video. So let's say that I'm going to create just a general video. So I'm going to click video for this one. All right, and now we got a video, and first things first, you're going to want to decorate it. And I'm going to start by changing my background. So I want to try to find some blue textured background. So I'm going to go to the element section and search for blue textured background. All right, so we got it right here, and I'm just going to scroll around at the video sections right here and see if something catches my eyes. So I kind of like this one, and I'm going to use this as my background, and I just adjust it to the canvas like so. Next, this is going to depend on how you're going to want to be using your progress bar, and I'm just going to create some sort of quiz video. So let's say this is going to be some question and answer type of video, and I'm going to use ChatGPT as a helper to create some question. So I'm going to go ahead and type in ChatGPT. All right, so here we are, and I'm going to try to ask for maybe 5 trivia quiz and answers. All right, now that we got the question generated, I'm going to go back here and I'm going to add my text. So I am going to use some of these text combination. I kind of like this one, so I think I'm going to use this, but I'm going to ungroup it. So the stay tuned one is going to be the text for the answer, and the coming soon one is going to be the one for my question. So I'm going to delete this one and bring this to the center. You'll know whether something is in the center of your design or not. If you look closely, you will be able to see this 2 lines, purple lines, that are going to show you where your elements are. So if you see a cross like this, it means that you have your elements or your text, whatever it is, placed in the center. So I'm going to put it there, and I'm actually going to shortening this as well as copying this slide. So I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this page, but I'm going to remove this soon one, and this one is just going to be the answer for the question. So I'm going to make it a tad bit bigger, and I'm going to delete the one over here, and then I'm going to change this text to, let's see, maybe this one. So I'm going to use this as my question. I'm going to Control-C on my keyboard and Control-V right here. Now we got the text box a little bit too big, so I'm just going to stretch this out, and then I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Then I'm going to put it like so. Now I'm going to change the color because this one is a little bit invisible, so I'm just going to change. This one seems fine, so I'm going to leave it as it is. All right, make sure to change that one to the answer, and you don't have to do exactly the same like I do. If you do want to make quizzes video, you can do it with maybe logos or other things that you want to create. I'm fine with this. So I'm just going to create some trivia quiz, and now we're going to go to the element section and we're going to search for a square. So I'm just going to clear this real quick, and then I'm going to search for a square, but I want the one that or a rectangle. I want the one that does not have pointed edge, so I'm going to go to the corner rounding and round it out like so. Then I'm going to stretch this out until it looks like a progress bar. So here I'm just going to position it like this, bring it down and make sure that it is in the center. That looks nice. I just want to make it a little bit slimmer and then a little bit rounder. All right, perfect. Now I'm going to add a border to my progress bar, and you can choose whichever border type you want. Maybe you want things that looks like this. I'm good with this one. And I'm going to change the color of my border to white so it looks nice. All right, and then as for the inside, I'm also going to change it to white. And now I'm going to duplicate this specific shape. So I'm going to Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V again. And I'm going to remove the border, so it's going to be a no border one. And then I'm also just going to change the color first. I want this to be this dark red so that it's going to match the one on the other text, like so. And I'm going to adjust this so that it's going to fit right in, but I also want to show the borders, so I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, like so. All right, so that is perfect. Now in order to create that smooth progress bar animation, you're going to want to click on this red progress bar, and then you're going to click on this see more options. Then you want to click on animate. Next, you're going to use this wipe animation, and you're going to choose on enter, and then you can adjust the speed according to however you want the durations to be. So the higher the speed is, the faster it will go. I think I'm just going to bring it all the way down so that people will have more time to guess for the answers, and then they will get the answers on the next page. So I'm just going to add a transition on this part right here, and we'll see what will look good. So this flow one looks nice, so I'm going to use this as my transition. And this is how it looks like so far. Nice and clean. And if you would like to add some audio effect, you can also go to this app sections right here, and then you can go to audio, and you can try to find a sound effect, like maybe a bell sound, bell ding, you know, to give an effect of a right answer, something like this, something like that. This one seems nice, so I think I'm going to put it here on the second frame. Perfect. And for the first frame, I'm going to add clock ticking sound. All right, this seems nice, so I'm going to add it here at the front, like so. And now let's see how our video looks like. There you go. Now you got your progress bar animation created. It's very easy. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.